Hello, I'm Joe Cox. Let me give you just a few tips about battery maintenance. We're going to start by talking about battery types. We have lead acid flooded batteries, we have AGM batteries, and we're seeing some lithium ion batteries. All three of these batteries require different chargers. You can't charge an AGM with a flooded battery charger, or you can't charge a lithium with a flooded battery charger. These batteries all have to be maintained in a different way. As far as flooded, you know you have to check on your water levels. But any battery, you have to maintain your connections. Your battery terminals will corrode after time, so you need to make sure that you keep those clean. You may say, oh, my equipment is completely stopped. Just make sure that if you open your battery compartment and all your terminals are green, you disconnect them and clean them. And you'll have a lot longer life with those batteries. You won't have to charge them as frequently. One thing to consider also is the life expectancy of any battery. Some batteries last longer. They all have different amperages. These batteries that we use are continuously used. There's no recharge system in these machines that we have. So you need to make sure that when you run it for like 3 to 4 hours, that you do recharge the batteries, because next time you go to start your piece of equipment up, you might get 15 minutes out of it and it stops. Well, that's because you didn't keep it charged. It's very important to keep them charged, because the life expectancy will be cut real short if you don't charge it properly at the right times and you don't maintain your water levels and your connections on your batteries. Most batteries go anywhere from 2 years to a 5-year cycle when it's in like a vehicle that has a charging system. But when you talk about these batteries and these scrubbers, they're depleted in a lot quicker time, and therefore you're charging them a lot more. That also is going to cut your life down on your batteries. So just know that if you get 3 to 4 years on one of these batteries and these equipment, and it's not just one battery, you may have 4 batteries, you may have 6, and you can save yourself a lot of money if you will keep them maintained and charged. I'm Joe Cox.